Observations are limited because of the heat in the attic. It's pretty much unbearable. I had something else to add about the attic. It was up here. But anyway, this is the furnace. This is the gas piping. It does not have a sediment trap on it. Alright, your electric service disconnect is not supposed to be, you unplug it, it's supposed to be a switch. We do not have a switch as a disconnect for the indoor air handler. We're supposed to have 30 inches of unobstructed space, and I'm wedged up here between the piping and a collar beam, and we just don't have it. Care and use manual is not present. Tape on the flue. Condensing unit, we got rusty water in the pan. We do not have insulation on the P-trap. The P-trap goes into a air vent, causing a wet vent below it. It's not supposed to do that. This is where you change the air filter. They got it bolted in pretty good, so I'm betting it hasn't been changed real good. Alright, it's 15 by 22 by 1.